everyone, welcome back to TechLab. In today's video, we are going to walk through the process of setting up Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular code editor for web development. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. First step to download Visual Studio Code is to open your browser, search for VS Code, download. Click on the official website. Next, click on the download. The file getting downloading. Now it is downloaded. Let us click and close the browser. Okay, let us set up. Accept the agreement. Next, create on desktop icon. Okay, next, install. It is installing. Finish. It has opened a window of VS Code. Let us add few extensions for our journey. First one is live server. Install. It has installed. Now let us add the extension. Code formatter. Install. We will search for code formatter has been installed. Next, we will install HTML CSS support install. It also been installed. Now let us install CodeRunner. It is been installed. Now yes, list. Sorry, NT. Install. We have installed the required extensions for now. Now let us close the terminal of extensions. Okay. Open your file manager and create a new folder. Let me create a new folder in my Windows C. New folder. I will give the name as TechLab. Okay, I have created the new folder. Now go into VS Code. Now let us open that folder in the VS Code. Open the folder. The name is Techland YouTube. Select the folder. It has opened. Yes, I trust the authority. Okay, now let us create a file and write our first program in HTML. I give the name as index HTML. It has opened. I have created the structure of the HTML. Now write our first line of code. H1. in web development. Let us run and see. Yeah, it has worked perfectly. Now we have successfully installed the VS Code and written our first code. This is just the beginning of our journey. Stay tuned for our next video where we will kick off our journey into web development. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out our next video.